Have you ever stared up at the sky and wondered how on earth does a bird actually fly? It's one of nature's great marvels, but behind that effortless flutter is some serious science and engineering. Let me break it down for you step by step. First off, birds use the same basic aerodynamic principles as an aeroplane. Picture a bird's wing, it's not flat, but curved on top and flatter underneath. As a bird moves forward, air above the wing travels faster than the air below, creating a pressure difference. That's what we call lift, the force that pushes birds upward and keeps them from falling out of the sky. But that's not enough. To move forward, birds need thrust, which they get by flapping their wings. The powerful downstroke pushes air backward and down, and thanks to a handy bit of physics called Newton's third law, the bird gets propelled forward in return. Pretty clever, right? Of course, air pushes back. We call this drag, the enemy of efficient flight. Birds are ready for this, though. They've got streamlined aerodynamic bodies and their feathers overlap like a perfectly tailored suit cutting through the air with minimal fuss. But let's not forget gravity always trying to pull birds back down. The trick is to make sure lift is equal to or greater than their weight. Every single flap is a battle against gravity. Now what about the hardware? A bird's skeleton is a masterpiece of natural engineering. Their bones are often hollow strong but light as a feather. Literally. Wings aren't just for show either. They're highly modified arms, with feathers that can twist, rotate, and even separate to control airflow. The main flight feathers at the tips? Those are like the propellers of the bird world, generating thrust and lift with every beat. Powering all this are some ridiculously strong chest muscles, anchored onto a big, keel-shaped breastbone. These muscles pack a punch, powering the mighty downstroke. And for the upstroke, smaller muscles take care of that, letting the bird reset for the next beat. Birds also have a supercharged respiratory system, meaning they can extract more oxygen from each breath, crucial for long flights and high-altitude adventures. And here's my favorite bit, the way birds actually move their wings. The downstroke is the power move. Wings come down and forward, feathers locking together, pushing loads of air back. The upstroke, wings fold and feathers part, letting air slip through, making it easier to reset for another go. Not all birds fly the same way either. Some, like sparrows, flap constantly. Others, like eagles, glide and soar, using air currents to stay up with hardly any effort. And then there are hummingbirds, who can hover in place by beating their wings at lightning speed. So next time you see a bird gliding overhead, remember you're witnessing an ancient, finely tuned dance between muscle, bone, feather, and air, a true marvel of the natural world.